So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp username issue on the Android and the iPhone. So guys, WhatsApp username let you connect with the new contact without sharing your phone number. If you are experiencing the issue for reserving the number, first and the simplest step is guys, you update your application. For this, open your Play Store. Then guys, go to the option of search, where you search the option of WhatsApp. After that, go and update your WhatsApp. Okay, second thing is guys, the username is already taken. WhatsApp handle are the unique. If you are preferred your name is used, so try the variation. So you change your username, enter some more digits, then you can get your username. Okay, another thing is guys, this feature is currently not fully live. It is just only on the testing phase, so maybe it is not arrived in your region and the country, so you just wait. Okay, after few days and a few months you will get the full support of this app. Okay, still you do one more thing, which is clear cache. For this, long press on it, go for info, then guys you go for the option of cache storage and click the option of clear cache. So this help you to refresh your application and maybe restrict the word or the pattern error. So WhatsApp block the certain name for safety and integrity, like avoid the age inappropriate, illegal or potential harmful words in your handle. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.